Check the link below for the free template and links to all the materials I use in this video. But to begin, you want to start by adding a thin line of glue down the middle of one of your leaves, and we're going to put the wire in it and then sandwich on the second leaf. You want to try to line them up as closely as you can, but you'll see later on in the video, mine doesn't match up perfectly. That's okay. We're just going to cut it so that it does. And here's where I'm going to cut it because you can see the two leaves don't totally match up. You don't have to cut it, it's up to you. But it's a simple and easy fix. On the center, and then one pointing out to each of the different parts of the leaf. You can do this however you want and kind of play around with it. This is just how I like to do it.